What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Pipeline the Surf Coaster construction update. It's Monday, and that means crews should be busy getting vertical construction going again. So let's go take a look and see what's new. Security and parking was a breeze. Front entrance, not very busy, but check it out. There is a support right there for Pipeline. We got a crane over there down, and a big crane in the air right there. Again, height is only 110 feet for this coaster, so that should be the only crane I think they're going to need. Ticket windows, not busy at all. Neither are the turnstiles. Look at this. Awesome views right here. Again, launch track with the hill, and it's starting to go up into that turn. Look at that thing. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through. We are on our way. Beautiful day, somewhere in the 80s, low 80s. It's warm, but not really hot. And as you can see, it is not very busy today. Again, gorgeous day. Even better when you have vertical construction. Love that the crane is right there. We can see the track going above that fence line right there, along with the new supports. Time now for views from the bridge. Again, sea of trees, looking good. They have a bunch of them over there, and a bunch over here. But that's not why we have made our visit today. Again, vertical construction, check that out. They're about to lift another piece of track in place right now. There it goes. It's in the air. Alright, the crew has their tag lines going, and they're turning around the track piece to get it in position. Foundations over on this side are again wrapping up the last couple weeks. They have really focused on these, and it looks like they're just about done. In fact, some of the covers for the forms are off now. Maintenance barn still looks to be about the same. Stationary has gotten quite a bit of work, and of course now we're going way into the sky with the track.
Touch, feed, or otherwise interact and disrupt the natural behavior of any marine mammal in U.S. waters. Instead of climbing on them, I invite you to head over to one of our windows. We have that large viewing window in the front.
Well, that is a good sound. We're tightening down some of those bolts. Not torquing, but tightening. And the pin is coming out. Final bolt's going in. And now it's time to move up to the top of the support. Well, the crane just released tension on the straps, and the workers are about to take them off. So that piece is now in place. There we go. Straps and shackles are off. And it looks like the crane is all done. They're starting to wrap it up. So no more vertical construction today, at least. Good night, crane. See you tomorrow. Construction duck! Yeah! Bayside Stadium work continues. For Christmas celebration, we can see the ice rink right there. Getting some more prep. In fact, one of the guys is putting down some fresh water, so it'll freeze into ice. We have some banners up, also around the seats. Sky Tower, and unfortunately is not in operation. It has not been in operation for the last couple weeks, ever since the hurricane, but they have been doing some testing, and well, they've got plenty more to do. They got to get some hours done before it'll reopen to guests, which we are expecting to be hopefully pretty soon though. I know you guys want a better view of everything, so let's check it out with the drone. Yep, you already know where we are. It's pink chicken time. Yes. Looks like it's sleepy time for a lot of them. Well guys, that's going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando for Pipeline the Surf Coaster. Exciting stuff as vertical construction continues and crews are working on that big turn right after the launch. I am expecting they are going to finish that up sometime this week. We'll be here every day checking out the progress. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.